Hey there, YouTube world, how are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing fantastic. I'm doing fantastic here. Yep, let's do another unboxing. I'm having my tea, by the way. My tea after lunch. This is not green tea and it's not black tea. So figure out what kind of a tea it is and leave it in the question. I'm sorry, in the comment section down below. Alright, so let's see what this is. Let's try to open it with using one hand because I'm doing video shooting for YouTube with my other hand. Let's see if this works. Not doesn't want to come out. Okay, I think I need to cut it some more. It's not easy cutting with one hand. Sometimes I do the videos with two hands. There it is. But sometimes I just don't have my stands with me, so I have to do it manually like this with one hand. Alright, so what this is a 5-inch suction cup, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with it in a while. But let's open it up and see how it is. I'm pretty sure most of you guys must have heard about suction cups by now. So this is like it's less than $10, It's a suction cup, so you fix something with it. This handle doesn't move. I thought both handles move. This moves. So once you do this, it has a massive grip on the surface, So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna finish my tea and we're gonna continue this video in a while. Woo! It's hot as hell in Florida right now. I need to move this into the shade so that I can do something with the with the thing that I wanted to show you guys, so you understand what it is. I'm pretty sure you'll know by now from the title of the video why I'm about to show you guys. So now guys, you see the dent over there? I have a dent right here on my car. I don't know how I got it, but it's there. Alright, so I'm gonna use the sucker. To try to get rid of the dent or something. Hold on. Alright, so I got the plastic off because it's not gonna work with the plastic on it. And now I'm gonna try to lift the dent simply by putting it, pushing it, pulling it actually. I'm not sure if it's working. It looks like it's working. Yeah, it worked a little bit. Let's try this side. Okay, I think it worked a little bit. Not bad. Depends on how hard you're pulling it. The suction is pretty good. Right, so it takes a couple of tries, before you can actually see a result. Yeah, so it's all about the pull. All right, I'm gonna do some pull and let's see if I can reduce this dent right here. All right, folks, I wasn't able to get all of it out, but it looks pretty good, much better than what it was. So yeah, so this is the cheapest way to get rid of a dent that you don't want to pay for. All right, stay cool, everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh yeah.